Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we are going to check out what's in the BEAUTYFIX by Dermstore box for May. If you are not familiar with BEAUTYFIX by Dermstore, it is a monthly subscription put up by the Dermstore website. On the Dermstore website you can buy skincare, makeup, supplements, all kinds of things. You can even use your FSA or HSA card funds for those purchases on many of the items, but they do have a monthly subscription box, and I will put the cost for the box here in the corner. It varies depending on whether you pay upfront for your 3 months, 6 months, or whatever, or you pay monthly for those same items. I think the most is $24.95 a month. It could be closer to $30 by now. I'm not sure, but I will show you. But this is the box, and you get it every month. There's no choices in here. There's no preferences, no profile. You just get what they send each month. But the nice thing is you can subscribe and see what's going to be in that month's box for the first month you subscribe. I generally do mine 3 months at a time, and I think this is my third for this round. So quick sneak peek. Each box should have at least $100 worth of product in it. You'll have some full size, some deluxe travel sizes. Occasionally you have little dinky foil packs, but for the most part, I have seen the value for each box well over $100, in the quality and the brands that you're going to get are very high end usually. So let's check it out. So the first thing we have in here is Medicate. And this is the Medicate Cetera Day Cream. So this one is a liquid vitamin C moisturizing cream. This is 1.7 ounces. This will be a full size. I'll put the value for this in the corner, but Medicate is on the pricey end of everything. So I'm going to bet that this is a good chunk, if not all of our $100 value for this box. Item number 2, we have a Jane Iredale, and this is a hydrating cream lipstick. Ooh, so this will be another full size. And I have, am I upside down? I have a Jane Iredale lip gloss that I think I also got from BEAUTYFIX. So occasionally you will get some makeup items in this box. And most of the time you're just going to get skincare, which is excellent, especially when you're getting to be, I'm in my 50s now, so I need more skincare items than I have ever in my life. And it's nice to have a lot of good options to choose from. So let me look and see. This color is going to be Bordeaux. There's not an indicator on the outside of what the color is going to be. So I'm going to have to use my handy dandy scissor trick to get this open because the top doesn't want to open. Just slide it under the top and lift it out, and it'll help you not have to rip it open to get it out. Okay, so, ooh, if that's the color, that's going to be gorgeous. It is. Oh my goodness. This reminds me of that Clinique Black Cherry color. That is a gorgeous color. That is going to be, I almost want to swatch it, but I think it's going to be like a berry brown, which is going to be more of a fall winter color. So we may not start this one yet, but this is a color my sister is going to absolutely love. So she's probably going to get that one. And I'll put, again, the value for this one here in the corner. So far 2 full-size items in this box. So I have something wrapped up in bubble wrap. I'm curious. So what's in here? Let's check it out. Oh, it is taped down. Here we go. Okay, so this is from Perricone MD. And this is a Cold Plasma Plus Neck and Chest. Ooh, this is for this area that gets all nice and crepey. That should make it look amazing. And Perricone MD is another very expensive, on the higher end, expensive of a skincare product. So I would bet you this is our 3rd full-size product in this box. That's crazy. 3 full-size. We don't normally get 3 full-size items. And I think the rest of them are going to be travel sizes. But wow, so far so good. Now this one, I have had this one before. It is a cleansing oil, and it has a little tab with information on it. This is from DHC, and it's just a great little cleansing oil to, I think it's a facial cleanser based on the size of my memory. This is a, yeah, facial cleanser. It says so there on the tab. And this is going to be probably close to an ounce, 30, 20. How many is this? This is either an ounce or 20 mil. I can't read it against that. There we go. Okay, I checked. This is 1 ounce. So we got 1 full ounce of this cleansing oil. And as a cleansing oil, that is a good size. You can get a lot of good uses out of that. And it's a great travel size, so you can take it with you on the go. Now, this may actually be a size that they sell, but I'll put here in the corner if they do, and if not, what the cost is for the size that they do sell. The last one is definitely a tiny. This is a 50 mil, or a 50 SPF, I'm sorry, from La Roche-Posay. I was trying to see if this is a lip cream, but I think this is literally just a tiny little sample of an SPF, probably a facial SPF cream. So we got a little sample size of that. So, okay, so for 20 something dollars, we got 3 full size, very good quality products, 1 good size travel, and 1 mini that I'm not mad at because of the rest of it. Holy cannolis, this was a good box. Okay, so I usually, when my 3-month subscription ends, I will wait and see what the next month is going to be before I resubscribe. So I'll check and see what June looks like before I resubscribe. But wow, this was great. I love these products. These are all great options. We did get 1 little makeup item. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it, I'd love for you to hit like, hit subscribe, and don't forget to hit notifications so you don't miss out on future uploads. But for now, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.